Welcome back to Auto Show Cars' exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the 2024 Volkswagen Golf 8R, a true hot hatch that blends performance, style, and everyday practicality. Let's start with the exterior. The Golf 8R carries a sleek and aggressive design, featuring sharp LED matrix headlights, a bold front bumper with larger air intakes, and an illuminated front grille with the signature R badge. Moving to the side, you'll notice the aerodynamic side skirts, R-specific 19-inch alloy wheels, and blue brake calipers that add to its sporty appeal. At the rear, the quad exhaust system and the dynamic roof spoiler enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics, making this hatchback look ready to attack the road. Under the hood, the 2024 Golf R is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pushing out an impressive 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. It comes paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear shifts. The standard 4-motion all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring enhances grip, ensuring optimal performance in various driving conditions. The result, a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.7 seconds, making it one of the quickest hot hatches on the market. Inside, the Golf R offers a premium yet sporty cabin. The driver-focused cockpit features a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, an upgraded infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a head-up display. The R-specific sports seats with blue stitching provide both comfort and support, while the flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters adds to the racing feel. Ambient lighting with 30 color options lets you set the mood, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system ensures a top-notch audio experience. Driving the Golf R is a thrill. The adaptive chassis control offers multiple driving modes, including comfort, sport, race, and a new drift mode for those who want to push the limits. The steering is sharp, the suspension is firm yet comfortable, and the all-wheel drive system keeps you planted in corners. Whether you're on a winding road or cruising on the highway, the Golf R delivers an engaging and exhilarating ride. With cutting-edge technology, top-tier performance, and everyday usability, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf 8R continues to dominate the hot hatch segment. It's a car built for enthusiasts who crave power, precision, and practicality in one package. What do you think about the 2024 Golf R? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing car reviews. See you in the next video. Here's your YouTube script for the 2024 Volkswagen Golf 8R, engaging, informative, and designed to keep your audience hooked. Let me know if you'd like any modifications.